Hello, it's Rashida, and I have a haul from scrapbook.com to show you. This is the collection called On Our Way by Fancy Pants, and so I'll show you what I purchased for that collection, and I'll show you this. This is from scrapbook.com. So for a limited time they have Echo Park paper, traveler's notebooks, 5% off. So if you're interested in that. Okay, so as I said, this is Fancy Pants collection called On Our Way by Amber LeBois. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I'll start with I'll just start with these buttons with flare. So really cute. So I really like these. I love the buttons. And this is the stamp set. And I like the font on the adventure here. So lots of cute things related to travel. So anything related to travel, I'm just like all over it. And these are tags and labels, so I will open this up and kind of flip through and show you what they look like. Those were the tags and labels, and I don't know if you noticed, but there are some tabs here that you can actually fold like that. So really like that. So this is the collection kit, and what comes in here is you get 2 each of 6 designs of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock papers. You get an ephemera pack, and you get puffy alpha stickers. Oops. So I will open this and show you. So this is the ephemera pack. I'm going to open this up and place them in the container so you can get an idea of what they look like. There's also what they look like on the back. So that was the ephemera pack. Now, these are the Puffy Alpha Dots. How cute are these? Lots of colors, and you get numbers. Wow. See numbers down here. I really like these. Rainbow. Okay, so I'll take the papers out and just show you those. And yeah, I think these are all papers. So this is the sheet, the collection kit sheet, which shows you what the papers look like. And I'll flip through. And again, this is called On Our Way by Amber LeBois for Fancy Pants. This one's called Let's Ride. So you have the plane, train, and automobile, and on the back there's an orange pattern here and like a light pink here. So you get 2 of those. And I think this is also good for a traveler's notebook too. If you want to cover blank pages in your traveler's notebook with pattern paper, this would be perfect for that. This one is called Up for an Adventure. So plaid, bright plaid, and then a blue on the back. This one is called Navigator, and I really like this. I guess it's like a subway train grid map. And on the back is this pattern, which yellow is okay. I like it in small doses. This one's probably my favorite. This one is called Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, because I like a good graphic print. And this rainbow pattern on the back with lines. Oh, I like this one too. This one's called Now Boarding. So you could cut these apart. And on the back is, this is a different pattern. I like the background, which is a gray color. The camera's probably not picking that up. And it has like these white dotted squiggly lines. So that's pretty neat. And this is a cut apart sheet. It's called Travelog. So yeah, I like to use the cut aparts in Project Life, so this will be great if you're doing a travel Project Life page. And on the back, I really like this. This is it's kind of a mint green grid or graph line. So yeah, the camera's probably making it show kind of funny, but that's what it is. So yeah, that is the collection. Again, this was from scrapbook.com, and I think this whole collection kit with the ephemera, the papers, and the Puffy Alpha Dots, like all together was like, I think $18. So I didn't think that was too bad. And they had like a deal on shipping. They had a coupon like for shipping or like a certain amount off, but it was a good deal, at least in my opinion. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.